Hi, my name is John Oswald, and I would like to talk to you about a venture called Hardwood Software. We would like to bring the power of virtual reality to basketball players and coaches, and we are currently searching for investors and partners with software design and video game graphics experience. It is our goal to help players improve their ability to see the game better in order to improve their performance. To be successful in team sports, you have to see the game properly. For years, coaches have lamented that it's very difficult to teach players what to see. It requires a lot of practice drills, practice scrimmages, live game experience, and reviewing those games using video shot from courtside. What if there was a way players could learn team concepts at variable speeds from the perspective of their individual position on the floor, anytime, anywhere? They could if there was a smartphone-based virtual reality basketball training app. Players would be able to select their position and view plays from a floor-level, in-game perspective. The Hardwood software team currently consists of myself and Ted Murray. Between us, there are over 20 years of basketball coaching experience in addition to Ted's previous artificial intelligence work on NBA Live at Electronic Arts. This project was inspired by researching football virtual reality companies for a master's course in educational technology. When I saw that current training applications were limited to the American sports of football and baseball, I saw the opportunity to take my passion for coaching basketball and use it to develop an application that could teach the game in North America, but also have access to international markets. Bringing Ted in with his high level of basketball knowledge and AI experience with Electronic Arts was a no-brainer, and he is excited about the possibilities of teaching defensive concepts with this application. All of this is possible using existing technology already on the market. Players would need a late model smartphone, a VR headset, and a Bluetooth remote to select plays or defensive formations and to control playback. Coaches would be able to add custom plays using tablets or laptop interfaces. Players will select their position or role on the team, point guard, shooting guard, forward, center, and experience the play from that perspective in virtual reality video game graphics as the play sequence unfolds. We envision a system where the coach registers his team online and gains access to a basic set of offensive sets and inbounds plays. Players would download a free app on their phone and use a code supplied by their coach to access the playbook. They would then be able to experience the plays from their smartphone via our headset and get mental practice reps immediately. At this point, we are looking for investors or software developers and game designers who are interested in partnering with us. We would like to begin development in early 2017 and have a demo app ready to show virtual reality companies and video game manufacturers as well as basketball coaching companies by the summer of 2017. We envision a freemium system where coaches would sign up a team of 12 players who would have access to the basic playbook at no cost. Additional players would cost $10 per player per year, and if a coach wanted to add standard sets from the app's library, they could be added for $1 per play per year. For the ability to edit or add custom plays, the coach would need to purchase the software license for $480 per year. Cloud hosting of custom playbooks would be an additional revenue source. Currently, there are 3 main virtual reality sports coaching applications. All 3 have football platforms, and Eon Sports has a baseball hitting app. None of them offer basketball. With almost 1 million high school players spread over 18,000 schools in addition to AAU youth club teams in the US, the potential for an effective VR coaching aid is immense. With more Canadian players making their mark in the NBA, basketball continues to grow in popularity as a youth, high school, and university sport in Canada as well. While the potential North American market for basketball coaching products is enticing, virtual reality is expected to grow to a $30 billion global market in 5 years, with applications accounting for 35% of revenues. At the same time, growth in international markets is expected to outpace North America. Basketball's popularity in Europe, Australia, and Asia, as well as the 215 national basketball federations worldwide, mean that a basketball coaching app would provide access to these growing markets. In conclusion, Hardwood Software's virtual reality training app will utilize existing and improving technology to enable basketball coaches to teach from a player's eye view perspective. This will take advantage of an immediate gap in the North American sports training market and allow expansion to international markets including Europe, Asia, and Oceania. If these opportunities appeal to you, please contact us to get involved. If you're an investor, a software designer, or a graphics coder with a passion for the sport of basketball, we'd love to hear from you. Thanks for taking the time to listen to our vision, and we hope to hear from you soon.